Hey guys, on this episode I'm going to be building some raised beds out of this wood I just got here. This is all West Coast red cedar. I scored a great deal on this and it's time to mix up my yard a bit. I want to try everything out. I've got, can't tell if that's a boat. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There's either a boat or a car honking. Anyway, so I've got pallet raised beds. I've got a stone raised bed, my hugelkultur raised bed, which is pallets going the other direction cut, and now I'm going to do some just traditional ones. So these are 2 by 6 by 6. I'm going to try doing 2 of these lengthwise and then cutting one in half. So 2 by 3 by 6 by 3. So now I need to go cut one of those in half. I'm going to cut, I finish off one of these really quickly and I'm going to make another one. So that's it, just one simple cut. Now it's time to go put this together on my little concrete slab over there where it's nice and flat. Alright, so you can see I have the boards laid out on my concrete here. It's just a matter of putting a couple screws in there. I do realize if I had the triangle bits in the corners it would be stronger, but I don't have no triangle wood and I just want to get this done. So I already did one, it worked out fine. It's not going to be as sturdy. I could always add that in later as well. Hopefully you guys can see it's brighter than the sun out here, so I can't even tell if it's overexposed or not. I just got some longer screws. This will work better than these ones here. They're about like a couple centimeters longer. So I'm just in the process of trying to figure out how I want to lay this out. Basically I figured out, because I had this one going this way before, I could have put 2 of them this way, but for the length of the yard, it makes more sense for the lines, the leading lines to continue, so this long board continue with the length of the yard. And then I can put, I want to put some smaller, perfectly square raised beds here, so I'm going to put this big one right here, and so do 2 long ones and then square, 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 and then the pallets. Yeah, I think this looks a lot nicer. Now I just need to throw some of these leaves in there and fill these up with the soil. Well, that does it for this episode. This looks a lot better. I'm really excited about this because last year I planted in the clay and it was terrible, but I still grew stuff. This year's gonna be really good, and I just got my seeds, so check, be on the lookout for that video. I've got 161 packets of rare seeds plus another probably 5 or 6 packets I had from before. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, check out this other video, and until the next one, have a great day.